Feeling overwhelmed by your endless to-do list? Let's simplify it. Welcome to the Eisenhower Matrix, a powerful tool to help you prioritize tasks efficiently. Here's how it works. The matrix has 4 quadrants. The first one is urgent and important. You need to do it now. The second one not urgent, but important. You can schedule it. The third one is urgent, but not important. You can delegate it. The fourth one is not urgent and not important. You must eliminate it. Let's categorize some tasks together. What will you categorize? Finish a report task? That's correct. It's urgent and important. Remember, these are your deadlines and crises. Things you have to do right now. What will you categorize? Reading a book task? It's not urgent but important. Remember, these are your long-term goals, like reading books, exercising, journaling, and self-care. Aim to prioritize these before they turn urgent. What will you categorize these to? Correct. These will be urgent, but not important, and not urgent, and not important. Now, urgent, but not important are tasks that can be delegated, and not urgent, and not important. Let those distractions go. You don't need that noise. Got it? Start using the Eisenhower Matrix today to boost your productivity and focus on what truly matters. Don't forget to share your success stories in the comments below. Let's conquer that to-do list together. If you're interested in Eisenhower Matrix and how to use it effectively in your study work, I got the right Notion template just designed for that. Head to the link in the description box. Until next time, bye for now.